Hi, welcome to Kawatso. Learn anything in less than rupees 500 per month.
Welcome to the world of Linux. For making our life smooth and straightforward, we have divided this course into two different parts. In the first part, we will see Linux fundamentals and its commands, while in second, we will see how to work with shell scripts. However, before that, let's see our learning objectives. This course assumes no prior programming and Linux experience. So our motive is to make a person fundamentally strong on Linux and shell scripting. So after completion of this course, you will be able to first install and run any distribution of Linux in your machine. Second, work with the most useful Linux commands and know their important use cases. Third, communicate to any Linux server via shell. And fourth, create shell scripts which will help you to automate repetitive tasks. Now it's time to see different sessions under this course. We will start this course with the installation of virtual machine and Linux. Then we will start our journey with the introduction of Linux. After the introduction, the next session will be on understanding command documentation and flow. We will also cover some basic commands in this session. The next session will be on exploring Linux directories and file systems. After this, there will be a session on redirections. Security is an essential feature of Linux. Hence, we will learn different file permissions and their modifications. The next session will be on learning some commands related to networking and server communication. Finally, we will see how to install different packages in Linux and manage different processes. Now at this point, first part will be completed and it's time to start second one. The second part of this course is all about shell scripting. We will start the second part with shell introduction and hello world program. The next session will be on if-else structure and its different syntaxes. After if-else, we will see how other basic construct works, like different loops, switch case, break and continue statements. We will use all these basic constructs in functions, which defines modularity and reusability of a program. Finally, there will be a session on combining all these fundamental concepts to build a simple hotel-like application. That will be end of our second part. Since Linux contains a vast number of commands, we will complete our course by explaining and summarizing 30 most useful commands. So this will be our journey of learning Linux. At the end of this course, there will be mind map which will help us to retain our concepts and revise them in future. Now it's time to start our Linux journey.